Hey guys, Dominic here with Capital Chimney. A balmy winter day here in the Chicagoland area. We're taking a look here today at the housing unit of a customer of ours. As you can see, this pipe at the top here is in pretty poor condition. The pipe going down the chimney is also rotted out as well. Let's see if we can get a picture of this down here, Matt. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but this is the exhaust for the furnace and water heater. This exhaust here carries a lot of moisture-laden exhaust gases, which tends to corrode and rot out pipes like this. Also, a large amount of carbon monoxide comes through here as well. And if it's not venting to the outside atmosphere properly, it can allow that carbon monoxide to come back into the home. So what we're going to be doing here today is replacing this housing unit, as well as this top piece of corroded, rusted out pipe. All right, we'll check back later on when we make a little more progress. So we got the housing unit off. The housing unit is basically just decoration. It's just a metal box to cover up and protect the pipe inside of it. The pipe, as I mentioned before, is the flue system for the exhaust from the furnace and water heater. Taking a look at this, you can see obviously this is in pretty poor condition. It's completely deteriorated here. It wasn't terminating out the top of the housing unit, so potential safety risks. As you can see, this is open to the attic, right? So any exhaust gases that don't make it out the top of the chimney can then get back into the attic structure, which is potentially very dangerous. So obviously this top piece of termination piping is going to get replaced. At that time, we're also going to be replacing the housing unit and the flashing here as well. So we'll come back a little bit later when we've made some more progress. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got the old flashing out. We'll just end up cleaning up the surface up here, making sure that everything is going to be watertight for the customers. So we're going to be putting a new flashing in. After the new flashing's in, we'll take care of the flue piping, and then we'll get the new housing unit put up. It'll look great when it's done, definitely a lot better than what it did, and the main point is it'll be safe. All right, so we'll check back in here in a few minutes. All right, guys, so we just wrapped up the exterior part of this this job. So as you can see, we have the new top termination piece of flue piping. The older one was pretty rotted out severely. New storm collar. This is stainless steel to prevent rusting. We put up a new housing unit. The housing unit is heavy gauge powder coated steel inside and out for weather resistance. It's got a brick pattern here that kind of matches the brick color on the rest of the home. We put up put in new flashing. Flashing is basically just metal that is formed to go underneath the shingles and behind the housing unit to prevent against leaks. Made sure that everything was caulked and sealed appropriately to prevent against moisture entry. The cover that we put up is also designed for this specific type of piping. It'll also prevent rain and animals from getting into the chimney system. So overall, I'm very happy with how everything turned out. I know the customer will be as well. We have a couple other things we need to tighten up around here. We have to replace a couple pieces of pipe inside. Nothing exciting there, so I'm not going to bore you with that. But basically, this is what a new housing unit entails. For all your chimney needs, feel free to contact us, Capital Chimney, at 630-670-6535.